I guess I'm trying to have my patience still, but my mind's...
It's the heat. I always like getting overheated in the car.
And now for me, it's all about healthy responses. Healthy responses.